Atomic Wallet is a free crypto wallet where you can buy and sell, exchange and send over 300 cryptocurrency or coins and tokens. Atomic Wallet has over 5 million users worldwide since its launch 5 years ago. This year, we have grown from 4 million to 5 million users with over 500,000 monthly active users worldwide. Founded by Konstantin Gladych, the CEO and co-founder of Changelly, a crypto exchange with over 2 million customers. If you're having trouble with its services, Atomic Wallet offers 24/7 customer service via help page, live chat, email, and ticket system, so do not hesitate to contact support if you're having any troubles. Atomic Wallet is highly secured and anonymous. It's straightforward with an interface that is simple to navigate and easy to use. You can start buying crypto coins instantly with MasterCard or Visa. Atomic Wallet encrypts your wallet with its 12-word mnemonic seed phrase. So if you somehow lost access to your wallet, just use the 12-word phrase in the correct order to recover it. Atomic Wallet has been growing ever since. Atomic Wallet is free to use for crypto storage and doesn't impose any extra fees on payments. Atomic Wallet supports Windows, MacOS, Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Android, and iOS. So what are you waiting for? Only you control your funds. Trade now!